Hey there, it's J-Rod here for Rich Retirement TV, and today I'm going to show off 3 pre-earnings pops in the tech sector. Earnings season kicks off here in just a few days, and the tech sector, like it or lump it, has been the whipping boy of the stock market. But I ran a screen this week, and oh my goodness, there are too many stocks that look great that are breaking out ahead of earnings, but I whittled my list down to my 3 favorites this week. And let's go ahead and dig right on in. All right, so first stock on my list, ticker NCR. That's NCR Corp. This is a financial technology company that focuses on payments solutions. So you swipe your card in a store, you swipe your card online. NCR has hardware, software that basically verifies the transaction, helps banks clear those transactions, and they just broke out here in a big way. You see here the stock's really been listing here between $40 and $32 here, and just ahead of earnings, smashes out here above $40. And they're due to report here in just a couple of weeks. But this is a name that I've liked for a long time. Did a video on them back in 2020 in the fall, and they're up more than 70% since then, and just breaking out here just ahead of earnings here. So you got, even if we get a little bit of a pullback here to that, it's holding today at just above 40, but you've still got the 50-day moving average here support as we head into earnings. But a lot to love here in NCR. The next stock on my list is another favorite of mine, HPQ. This stock is just roaring. I did a video on them just about a month ago, but I've talked about HPQ over the last 6 or 7 months here, and this is a phenomenal name. HP makes computers. Duh. You've got people at home that are working, buying new computers to beef up their home setup. You got people that are going back into the office. Enterprises are upgrading their machines, and HP is just soaking up the cash. Broken out here above 26. Earlier this year, but just broke out here. Another kind of like mini breakout above $31 a share, but in the short term. But what I really, really, really like about HP, we're going to go way back in time to a monthly chart. This is where things get really exciting. So I got excited earlier this year when HP took out this monthly top here in that was set back in 2018. But you see here, just in the last month, has broken out above its all-time high set back in 2000. You see here, let me get you can see this line here, the dash line, just smashing above $31 to a new all-time high, and I expect this to continue. The work-from-home movement is it's still got some more steam. Vaccinations are picking up, but still a lot of people like me working from home, and the upgrades in the office are still taking place. So a lot to love here. These guys report earnings at the end of May. But the action looks just great as we head on into the earnings, and then nice breakout there. Last stock on my list, but not least, is McAfee Corporation. So McAfee, they're the old, they've been in the antivirus game, computer software for the better part of 30 years. And they just IPO'd here at the end of 2020, and you take a look at this chart. Even though it's only been alive as a public company for a couple of, say, 6 months or so, the action looks phenomenal. Dropped a little bit after the IPO, but retook that level, has held the 50-day moving average, and you see here smashes out above 25 ahead of earnings here in just about a month and a half or early June here. This stock, I believe, is easily a $30, if not a $40 stock. Cyber threats are coming at you fast and furious. I myself was notified of, of things I needed to take care of. Security checkups from Apple, from Google, whoever. Everyone is big tech is trying to get you to stay safe. As we've all been in home for the last year or so, we've been making transactions, doing business online at home, and our computers have become more of a juicy target for hackers and criminals at large. So, the number of threats is not going to go down; it's only going to go up here. And McAfee is in prime position to capture that antivirus cybersecurity cache. So, a great move as we head into this earnings season. So, take a look at these three stocks if you're looking for that pre-earnings pop. The first stock on our list was NCR Corporation, ticker NCR. We had HP Incorporated, ticker HPQ, and then this final stock here, MCFE. That's the ticker for McAfee Corp. Lot to love here with these stocks pre-earnings. So thanks so much for watching today's video. Again, for Rich Retirement TV, I'm J-Rod, and I'll see you next week.